cocaine straps, so we got lots of straps.
I got plenty of straps too. Let's see some of the junk that we're throwing away because we got to clean up stuff here. See these? Introduce some of the people. These are people.
Just some people.
Christian people that are going to death row.
Because stupid ass cops.
Yep. I was selling these. I was selling these things for $30 a piece. Most of them. A few of them, yes. A few of them went for a lot more than that. But that's a wounded warrior one. It's prosthetic limbs.
You want to be a wounded warrior?
Yeah, look at that thing. That's another great invention.
Why is it on a bendy pole?
Because that was aerate the. Fuck, who knows? It was something to do with the yard. Oh shit! There's plenty more of them in this pile of rubbish. Might as well make a YouTube. Oh, nice. I can't believe it. Ripped the roof off. It ain't gonna go. You get it. Jesus Christ.
Jason!
Stop.
Jason! Fuck up!
Set it down. Set it down. Set it down. Jesus Christ. Grab underneath. There you go. Sorry, I tried to suggest something. I've never seen a car roof rip off that easily. There's a foreign car for you. Set her down. Nice. There you go. That's how we double stack them right here. Hell yeah.
There's pieces of bullet hanging out of the fender.
All we gotta do now is fill the top car with junk too.
There's pieces of copper jacket.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
Look at this shit. Right here in the fender is pieces.
Yeah, I see that.
Metal jacket. Lodged in it everywhere.
All right, well, my phone is going to die, so I have to stop this video. Sorry.